Hello, ladies, and ooh, that's a nice truck. Already distracted even in the intro by a cool vehicle. I like that truck though. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mark Roden, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I live in Connecticut, if that makes any difference to you. And today was beautiful. Today's Sunday. You won't be seeing this video today, but today was a beautiful day out, and I was like, the sun was setting, and it was just so nice out, and I was like, I want to go for a ride. And on top of that, I have something that I need to do in a couple of days anyway, which we'll get into in a minute, that is going to mean that I won't have this car. And so I need to get a couple things to stock up for a couple of days. And so I'm going to go do that right now. And I decided, you know what? It's a perfect setting to make a video just talking about what's going on with Mark Roden. Most importantly, we're going to be going over the Integra and my plans with the Integra and all that stuff. But we will go a little bit into my life. And we'll just get that out of the way, actually, I guess. Well, in case you guys have noticed and were worried, because a lot of you guys actually seem to be worried, which means a lot, but at the same time, I don't want you to be worried about me. You're your own person, you have your own problems, you don't need to worry about my problems. But I do appreciate it, obviously. But a lot of you guys are worried because I made a post a couple days ago talking about how I have a stomach condition. And I do. I have some weird stomach issue going on, and I don't know what it is. But at the end of the day, it's been getting a whole lot better over the past week. I can almost eat like a perfect amount of calories again. I almost don't have a stomach ache whatsoever, and I think it has a lot to do with anxiety and stress because I'm trying to buy a house right now for my first time ever, and on top of that, trying to buy another car right now. So there's a lot of stuff going on in my life, and I have 3 YouTube channels that I'm trying to juggle around. So I think it just might be a lot about stress, because I noticed that whenever I do have the stomach issues and my stomach hurts, if I really distract myself, here's a little bit of a Mark Roden fact: I have ADHD, so it's hard for me to distract myself from my own mind. So the best way I found out to do it is to play Call of Duty, which is weird because I don't like Call of Duty. I'm not a Call of Duty kind of guy. I'm more of like a Dark Souls racing games with a story to them, games that something like that. I'm like one of those kind of guys. But I play Call of Duty and it's constant action, and I'm just distracting myself, and it helps a lot with my stomach. So I think it probably has to do with stress and anxiety and stuff like that. So I've been trying to just deal with that a little bit. It's getting a lot better, so you don't need to be worried anymore. I appreciate all that though, guys. It really did mean a lot to me. In terms of the channel, for anybody wondering what the plans are for the channel, same thing, top 10s, good, bad, and uglies. I do want to start doing the deep dives again, and I know that you guys are probably like, well, what about the build series and stuff like that, the Integra build, the 350Z build? I wanted to do those once a week and stuff like that, but honestly, guys, I think I underestimated how much money that was truly going to cost. Stuff to do to these cars is expensive, man, and I don't have a lot of money. Yeah, I know I'm a YouTuber, so you probably think I'm as rich as Mr. Beast, but dude, YouTubers aren't rich, they just make a living, I make a normal wage. I'm not like a rich guy. I have an average wage by doing YouTube, and so I don't really have all the money in the world to spend on the cars, so it is tough sometimes to do builds on these cars. Speaking of builds, let's get into the builds. The Z right now is not running. It has another electrical issue with the wiring. If you guys remember back when I first got the car, it had a wiring issue, and it took my dad, took him a month and a half to figure out what was wrong with it, and we eventually figured out exactly the right wire and exactly where it went wrong, and then we fixed it, we thought, but it came back. So it's got another wiring issue, and the car actually won't run right now, which sucks, but at the same time, I really can't be bothered to deal with that right now because this car is here and I want to build this car. The whole point of this car, in case you guys don't know, is I wanted to show to people that they could build a car that's cool for less than $5,000, because a lot of people in my comments are always like, you're not getting a car that cool for under $5K, but it's just not true. And so I wanted to kind of prove that to people. So I bought the Integra for $3,000, and I've been buying all these budget parts, budget everything, to try and make it as below $5,000 as possible, and then after it, sell it for hopefully not only the amount that we spent, but a profit. That is the hope for this series. And then at the very end, I'll do the typical 2 years of Integra build in 10 minutes or whatever, and then I'll go over the amount that it took me to buy the car, all the parts, and how much I got for it. And so that's the plan with this car, and it's been going well, but the only problem is I can't do it consistently because, again, money is an issue. So for this car, we do have a couple things that we are about to get done, and it's almost, the car is almost done, honestly. The build is almost done, guys. I know it doesn't look like it on the outside. It looks like it's still in the very early stages, and it is because I have a lot of things to do, but all those things are going to be done like super quickly and should go by very fast. The first thing is side skirts. I actually have them right here. I have the side skirts, and I'm actually going to wait for another thing to put these side skirts on. Because that'll finish out the body kit. I have a front lip on it, rear valences, and a spoiler on the back of it. Once I get the side skirts on, it'll finish out the body kit and it'll look nice. But another thing that I'm doing is I got sponsored by Aluco Vinyl. Huge shout out to them yet again. I've shouted them out a couple times, but seriously, I can't thank them enough. They sent me a whole roll of wrap to wrap the car with for free. That's insane. So thank you very much to those guys. Obviously, I'll still include the price of the wrap in the build series because I understand most people won't be able to you know, get it for free, but still, it was a massive thank you to them. So wrap is actually, today is Sunday, but you'll probably be seeing this tomorrow on Monday. So tomorrow, this car is going away for like a week. I was gonna try and wrap it myself to save as much money as possible, but I tried on my PT Cruiser just to test a little bit, and I am horrible at it. Even on flat surfaces, I'm horrible at it. And so on curved, like the bumpers and the skirts and the spoiler, on curved stuff, it will look horrible if I do it myself. So I've decided, you know what, instead of wrapping it myself, I'm not gonna bring it to a shop and have them wrap it for a stupid amount of money, but I will look around and try and find somebody that can do it for relatively cheap. And when that's done and everything, we'll go over the price and all that stuff in the video, but just know that I did find somebody and he is doing it for cheap for me, and so we will be getting the wrap done very shortly. What? That lady is, I know the guy that lives there, he's my friend, and she's taking pictures of his house. That's weird. Anyway, I think it's just because he owns a farm, so she's probably taking pictures of the farmland. But anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, the wrap is gonna be started in 2 days. You'll probably see that video in like a couple weeks though, because obviously it takes a while to wrap a car, and the guy's he's actually gonna film parts of the wrap for me, which is super cool to him. Thank you to him. And then the last thing, the final thing that I have to do to the car to make it cooler is wheels and tires. I already have the wheels, just gotta buy the tires, go out and get the tires, and then mount them and balance them. I tried buying them a while ago. My credit card declined because of a whole nother issue that was so annoying, and so it was a whole big thing I had to deal with. It was stressful AF, it was annoying, but now I have to do it again, buy different tires, and get them mounted to balance to put on the car. That's obviously super simple, but that'll be done. And then that's gonna be it for the like car's build, I guess you can say. The only thing after that is there is a couple things that's wrong with the car. As you can see, it has a check engine light. It also has the ABS light. The check engine light is for this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is she? Well, I can't find it, but it's an O2 sensor. I have the O2 sensor, so I just gotta put the O2 sensor on. This window, the driver's side window, does not work, so I wanna fix that. I wanna get the window to work. So that should be pretty simple. And then the last thing is the thermostat is bad. I have to fix the thermostat. So 3 things that have to be fixed on the car that are technically bad and issues, and then that'll be it. And the build will be done. I'm not gonna obviously go too crazy into it. I wanted to, but after driving it for a while, I need something with low miles and that's relatively new, that I can just not have to worry about the reliability of whatsoever and be able to daily drive, since I have the 350Z. And so I'm gonna build this, make it cool, drive it around for a little bit, and then probably sell it. But that's everything that's going on with Mark Roden. My life is great. Do not worry about me, guys. I am beyond blessed. I'm super happy with YouTube, with my friends, with my relationships, everything I'm super happy with. So you guys don't need to worry about me. I'm sorry if I make it seem that way sometimes when I like mention my stomach problems. That's just something that I'm going through, you know. Everybody goes through little things, they have to get through it, and that's what I'm going through. This guy's on my ass, so that's making my life a little bit more miserable. But besides that, I mean, everything's going great. The car builds are good, except for the Z. The Z has an issue, but I don't even want to get into that again. And yeah, I mean, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. I really do. We're almost at 80,000 subscribers. That's mind-blowing. So thank you guys very much for that. My other channels are also doing pretty good too, so if you went over there and supported those channels, thank you again. And Das Vidania, have a nice night.